Alright, this is use case 2 with team 3, which is Freddie, Nathan, Mark, Sophie, and myself. So first we're going to go over the key business initiatives. So the 3 key business initiatives for the next 9 to 12 months for Coca-Cola are profitable growth, consumer value. So this is business-to-business platforms that drive industry-leading experience. Global brand campaigns, including Coke Studio Spotlights, which is a breakthrough talent competition on a global stage. So they have different artists come and perform, sponsored by Coke. And then World Without Waste, so eliminating waste and reducing carbon emissions through the continual use of existing valuable resources, including high-quality recycled PET. Next, we're going to go over key business entities. So the first one, to analyze target audience in different countries to tailor down global brand campaigns. So tailoring specific global brand campaigns to better appeal to the country that they're in. 2, analyze perceptions of local branding campaigns. So this also goes with tailoring the global brand campaigns to specific cultures and countries that they're in. 3, understanding effects of local brand campaigns on local store and vending machine sales. And then 4, to present global campaigns through a multitude of media channels and test effectiveness. 3, we have key decisions to make. So these are, so first of all, we want to target the business initiative that capitalizes on global expansion of the Coke Studio. So 1, we have to decide what countries should we expand into that our strategy is going to be successful. Where is Coke Studio successful now? How should we choose a country similar or different to the one we're already in? So the one they're really popular in is Pakistan. So do we choose a country that has a similar culture to Pakistan that we think it'll be successful, or go completely different? 3, would hosting a music festival sponsored by Coke Studio be relevant to our target demographic? 4, partner with 4 celebrities a month to make appearances on Coke Studio around the globe to appeal to different cultural demographics and age groups. And then 5, to expand the Coke Studio entertainment and fan base onto YouTube, which they're already in a little bit, but expanding that to either live stream or just more media about it via YouTube that is easily accessible around the globe, because YouTube is everywhere. We have to be careful with censorships in some countries as well. So common use cases. So the 2 clusters, the first cluster is what countries should we expand into that our strategy is going to be successful? Where is Coke Studio successful now? How should we choose a country, or should we choose a country similar or different to the one we're already in? Expand the Coke Studio entertainment and fan base onto YouTube so that's easily accessible around the globe. So these have very similar ways that we would put these in place, and just also very similar financial resources as well. And then the other cluster, so would hosting a music festival be sponsored by Coke Studio be relevant to our target demographic? And then partnering with celebrities. These are similar in the sense of using other people in paid partnerships to increase awareness of Coca-Cola in general for this business initiative. Thank you so much for watching.